You want to limit the range of your brushstrokes in Rebelle version 6 or earlier. The way to do that, Stencils. Here's the Stencils panel, and all the panels can be found in the window menu. So now, how to add some stencils, and the easiest way, selections. Go to the tools panel and select the selections, just here. Now I'm just going to go with ellipse, and you can see here selection, you need window and properties to display this. Simply add a selection, and you can go for a basic ellipse or circle, and then press turn. Once you've done that, you can go here. You've got options here from subtract as well as add. So I'm just going to go to add selection. So click there and then drag and apply. And again, press turn. It's added to the selection. Now, if you want to subtract from the selection, just go here, subtract from selection, and there's other options, of course. Just drag and press turn. So you've now got your selection, a very basic selection. Of course, you can create all kinds of complex selections using these combinations of settings. Go to the Stencils panel, and with the Stencils panel, go to this right side menu, click there, and go down here. Create stencil from selection. Straight away, it's added to your stencils. Now you can set up different groups where it can be added to that. I no longer want the selection, so just go over here, make certain you deselect all, so it's gone. And now the stencil, I can move it, reposition it, I can resize it, and also I can tile it as well as add borders. So tile, please check out my previous videos on how to use stencils in Rebelle version 6 and earlier. You can then apply your brushstroke to your stencil. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.